Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open phone application, then switch to the contacts list, select contact which you want to add photo, tap on the pencil icon to edit it, then tap on the camera icon to edit photo. You can take photo or to just select one from the gallery. Then select photo. Here you can adjust this image and then just tap save copy and then save. And as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.